Hey guys, Kim and Daryl here with Some Days Here.
Hey man, hope everybody's having a great day. Hey, we're going to be giving something away here, a $50 Amazon gift card, so stay tuned. We want to get you involved if you want to. Okay, Some Days Here, and the day's coming up. We are going to give away a $50 Amazon gift card to the person who gets closest to the number of how much it's going to cost us to get our boat detailed. So please go back on our last video, have the tour of the 1987 Jefferson, and take a look at it, and put your comments down below of what the price is. We need you to like the video. We need you to put a comment in. So we appreciate everybody doing that.
And thanks for the people that have done it so far.
Yeah, a lot of good things coming up. It's getting almost summertime. Good spring here in Louisiana. Can't wait to get up on the lake. Hopefully the wind will stay down, but enough to keep the bugs away.
Daryl decided we were going to cut it off last week, and he decided he'd go ahead and extend the giveaway.
Yeah, one more week. So hurry up and get your numbers in. And remember, we've got some projects coming up. I've got a bunch of stuff I want to talk about. Handheld VHF radios. Kim's going to do some stuff in the galley, showing how she's setting up her galley and the little gadgets she has down there.
And it's not an easy task.
So it's going to be fun. I got some projects coming up, dealing with some veneer that I'm going to replace in one other area. That it's okay, but I'm going to go ahead and change it since I have the material. I had a couple people ask me to do a video on that. And of course, then we'll get into the engine room and show a bunch of stuff down there, and then talk about insurance and a whole bunch of other stuff. So, hey, just a quick video to make sure that you get in on this. We want to get everybody involved. We got a lot more giveaways coming up here shortly. So stay tuned, and appreciate everybody giving us a like and a subscription.
That's right.
So just remember,
Stop the madness.
start the adventure.
Have a good one, guys.
See you later.